Federal agents today launched the largest crackdown yet on makers of synthetic designer drugs. They served 150 warrants and seized 2,000 pounds of chemicals used to make synthetic marijuana, bath salts, and other drugs across 35 states. Meanwhile, the UN Drug Control Agency warned the spread of designer drugs is getting out of control. It said new variants appear faster than governments can ban them.
Authorities have launched their biggest nationwide crackdown on synthetic designer drugs.
Officials served 375 search warrants and 150 arrest warrants as part of its 7-month-long investigation. They seized bank accounts in 35 states and confiscated more than 2,000 pounds of drugs such as synthetic marijuana and bath salts. The drugs are marketed to kids and sold at convenience stores and gas stations. Authorities say the drug profits may be supporting terrorist groups.